Do you know many people are having trouble with their keyless remote dying? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Remove key. First, remove the built-in key from your remote transmitter. It helps to have a firm grip. Step 2. Open remote. Next, use a coin to carefully pop open the upper half of the remote cover. Step 3. Remove battery. Gently take out the old battery using a small, flat-tip screwdriver. Step 4. Insert new battery. Insert a new CR1620 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards. Step 5. Reassemble remote. Finally, snap the remote cover back on and reinsert the built-in key. Now your keyless remote should be working perfectly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Honda users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.